Good evening to all of you. My name is Syed Sumam Ali Shah and I am from St. Mary's High School, Peshawar and son of Syed Akbar Ali Shah. Today I am honored and privileged to say some words about 14 August, which is our Independence Day of our nation. We are here to remember those sacrifices and to make a promise with ourselves that we will never tolerate any attempt by anyone to withhold this liberty and independence which we got on 14 August 1947. Dear all, let's pray together that may Allah keep this beautiful country independent, prosperous, and safer from every evil eyes. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Napoleon from Pshawar Model Girl High School Branch 1. Today I am here to tell you about 14 August. We are here to celebrate Pakistan's 76th Independence Day. Today we remember our beloved country who got its independence from the British Raj. We honor the freedom fighters who fought bravely to make our country independent. And we thank all.
Thank you.